Hello and welcome to Unit 2, and this is specifically working with Visual Basic for Applications, which we started to work with last week by recording a macro. Now this week we're working with variables and what to do when things go wrong, errors, and debugging. Now, in reference to variables, a very easy way to think about variables, and there'll be more about variables when it comes to my micro lesson, but specifically when dealing with variables, variables are a way for you to store information that is input within your program. It could be stuff that you calculate. It could be stuff that individuals put in there. There's lots of different things, and you'll kind of see the differentiation between the variables and some of the data types this particular week, as well as assignments. Now, the other part is what to do when things go wrong. An interesting thing is you have to remember about Visual Basic for Applications, or any sort of Visual Basic or any sort of programming language. It's usually a line by line. Boom, 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 boom. So if a whole group of lines is erroring and it doesn't tell you where, what you have to do, or one method of troubleshooting, is to put in line or print statements that actually tell you what's going on. So it could be a message box that says, hey, I got here. It could be a message box that said, hey, I got here. And we'll talk a little bit more, and I'll show you some ideas where that's concerned. But, don't forget to participate in the discussion this week. So far, it's actually been pretty good. That may have sounded like I was surprised, but I actually wasn't. Additionally, the assignments seem to be running along swimmingly, so to speak. So if you have any questions or concerns where that's concerned, remember the Unit 2.1 discussion, Unit 2.2 discussion, Unit 2 assignment, VBA, and variables. Our first post is on Wednesday, 11/14. Our first response are due by Friday. And remember, everything else is due by that particular Sunday. So far, keep up with that. And like I said, towards the end of our class, we're going to have the actual project. Make sure to keep up with the project, or else you probably will get swamped. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to hearing from you this week.